Knock knock, is this the one for rent? 1 bedroom. With a powder room as well, oh my goodness. That is so well equipped. You can check yourself out before you go to work. Lovely breakfast bar here, all fitted with all that storage. You've got all the furniture included in this as well. And I just love the bedroom. If you like views, this is amazing. That is a private beach. It has a rooftop pool. It basically has every single thing that you need. It has tennis if you want it. You've got amenities and facilities. You've got brunch if you want it in the hotel. You can use everything. You've got Nakheel Mall here. You've got Golden Mile all the way along here. Golden Mile is one of my favourite places because it's got a gorgeous park and you've got everything in there. Everything. Cafes, really healthy if you like healthy. My office is up there as well, so pop in because if you want to rent this, you just have to come along to Provident Estate and ask for Eve. This is amazing because it's all kitted out for all your clothes. It's in. Every space has been utilised. I absolutely love it. The name's Eve. Get in touch. It's 1 bed. It's worth every single penny and you're right on the trunk of the Palm. The best place to be. Right beside the amazing hotel, don't forget. The Duke's is the Royal Hideaway, where everybody comes to stay when they come from the UK and all that. Where do you stay? And then you've got the NH Hotel as well. See you soon.